Hi guys, welcome to my new video. So today we will be drawing a little bunny who's hitting drums, and it's so adorable. I drew it before. So all you need is a page, a pencil and a rubber. So let's start. First you'll draw a little circle here for the head of the bunny. Then you're going to draw one line there and one line there for the ears and go down. Then you're going to draw inside of the ears like that. And you're going to draw the same thing here on the other side. A line here, then a line for the inside of the ears. Next, we're going to draw the little eyes. We're going to draw two circles. One big circle at the a small circle at the top, and then color in the rest. And another small circle at the top, and color in the rest. And if you want it to be a boy, you can just add a little eyebrows, but I want mine to be a girl, so I'm just going to draw two little eyelashes. Like that. Then I'm going to draw a tiny little triangle here and draw a circle there so it looks like the nose is shining. Then we're going to draw two bumps like that and the two big teeth that the bunnies have. Then we're going to draw one line and the second line. If you'd like, you can draw one more line here. One line and the second. Finally, we finished our bunny's head. Now we're going to go on to the body. So we're going to draw a little part like that for its body, and we're going to draw one hand there. Just going to make mine a tiny bit smaller, and you can draw a few bumps. Then I'm going to rub out this side. I'm going to draw the little hand facing down. I'm going to just bring in the hand a tiny bit in. There. Then here we're going to draw like that, and then a little stick coming down and kind of a circle at the top. And then on this side we're going to start down here and draw a little, and then at the top we're going to draw a little circle there. Then we're going to draw a big circle here for the drum. And only if you'd like, you can draw this little part inside the bunny. Next up, we're going to do a little curved line around the drum. There. Then we're going to start from here and go down. And we're going to start here and go down. Then we're going to draw a straight line here at the bottom to attach it, and zigzags inside like that. Then I'm going to draw a little grass from one side to the other. Gonna draw one flower there. And a little flower there. Then I'm going to draw a little more grass around. And the same two flowers, you can do it here, but I'm doing the small flower big, and the big flower small. There, and only if you'd like, you can write the name of the bunny, but I don't really want to. And I'm not going to colour it in, but I'll give you some options. You can colour in the belly pink and the ears in pink. You can colour in the drum red, orange and yellow. You can do the grass a few lines light green and a few lines dark green. And you can draw the circle in the drum yellow. So bye, that's the end of my drawing session. I hope you subscribe and like.